In order to install Glyptodon, you must first obtain a free trial or paid license from the Glyptodon website at glyptodon. After you have created your Glyptodon account, visit the Download section to access your repository credentials. Next, you will need to create a Linux instance that supports Docker. In this example, we will be using Ubuntu. Before getting started, make sure that your Linux environment is fully up to date. Type sudo apt-get update. To ensure the Linux machine is capable of generating enough entropy for random number generation, we recommend installing the haveged package. These packages can be installed using the following commands: sudo apt-get install haveged, sudo systemctl start haveged, sudo systemctl enable haveged. Next, download the installer script using the curl command. You will need the repository credentials that you downloaded earlier. curl-u username :password https glyptodon release glyptodon-setup.run --glyptodon-setup.run. If you are planning to use Let's Encrypt, a free automated and open security authority, to generate the SSL certificate for the gateway, you should open HTTP port 80 and HTTPS port 443 to the service temporarily during the install process. Sudo ufw allow 80. Sudo ufw allow 443. Change the permissions and execute the command with sudo or root permissions. chmod +x glyptodon-setup.run sudo./glyptodon-setup.run. During the install process, you will be asked to confirm the FQDN of the server and your preferred SSL termination. After the installer completes, several Docker services will start up, depending on your selections. Typically, there will be 4 Docker services running if you selected all options: a database, Guacamole Tomcat, guacd, SSL, and ginx. The installer script creates a docker-compose YAML file that can be seen in the file system. /etc/glyptodon-enterprise-setup/docker-compose.yaml. This Docker Compose file is the configuration file which manages the multi-Docker container system. If you need to make further changes to the environment, you can modify this file and restart the Docker services using the glyptodon-setup.run.